Specialty Bung nut wrenches are available in cast steel with polished zinc finish, non-sparking aluminum, or non-sparking bronze alloy to meet many applications. These multi-purpose drum tools not only open and close drum bungs or plugs, they also work as a bung wrench, ring wrench, and faucet wrench all in one. Wrenches are universal, in which they fit all types of industrial drum plugs and bungs in metal or plastic. The angled handles on model B&W IW and B&W BW protect knuckles in most positions. Eliminate the need for extra tools with these multifunctional drum wrenches.